Viewers, we start with some breaking news coming in from West Bengal. Calcutta High Court has clarified that that not only the West Bengal Police but the ED and the CBI can also arrest the TMC leader, the Don of Sandeshkhali, Shahjahan Sheikh, who is accused of subjecting women in Sandeshkhali area to sexual assault and also forcibly taking over the tribal lands. Mamata government being pulled up yet again by the High Court. Calcutta High Court again coming down heavily. Yesterday it came down very heavily on the Mamata police, and now scathing observations by Calcutta High Court. For more on this, I'm being joined by Kishole from the R Bangla newsroom. Kishole, of course, scathing observations by the Calcutta High Court saying that even the ED and the CBI is free to arrest, also saying that it is such an efficient machinery. It's a shame that Mamata government, that the authorities could not arrest Sheikh Shahjahan in 50 days.
Well, exactly. Everything is very clear now. Everything has been cleared by the High Court. There is no confusion. Anyone, any agency, any police department can arrest Sheikh Shahjahan. In fact, it has been made clear by the High Court. There has been no stay order on Shahjahan's arrest. It has been cleared by High Court. No words has been minced here. No mincing of words. Very clear observations, very strong observations. Sheikh Shahjahan is a criminal and he has to be arrested. And whether ED, CBI or the police, anyone can arrest him based on the complaints that has been received against him. We know that there has been several complaints of sexual assault, complaints of monetary fraud, complaints of death threats and etc. Similar complaints have been lodged against his brother as well. So previously, the TMC leaders, including Abhishek Banerjee, tried to show a brave face by saying that it's actually the High Court that is blocking the arrest of Sheikh Shahjahan, and that's the reason that West Bengal Police cannot arrest Sheikh Shahjahan. That's what Abhishek Banerjee said very specifically. That particular statement has been completely demolished by the observation of the High Court today. The High Court yesterday very specifically made it clear that there is no stay order on Sheikh Shahjahan's arrest. There is only a stay order on the SIT that was being formed by the West Bengal Police, but there has been no stay order on the arrest of Sheikh Shahjahan, and that the words of High Court has been misinterpreted. And also today again, High Court has similarly came down on the government and saying that Sheikh Shahjahan can be arrested, in fact can be arrested by any of these agencies that I was speaking about, whether it's ED or whether it's CBI or the police. Anyone can arrest Sheikh Shahjahan based on the complaints made by the woman of Sandeshkhali or other complaints as well. We know that there has been several FIRs against Sheikh Shahjahan. One FIR being that of the attack on ED officials. Other FIRs has been lodged by the woman of Sandeshkhali based on the fact that Sheikh Shahjahan was continuously torturing them, or at least enforcing that whole process of torture and sexual violence against women. These are the allegations. These are the allegations. Again and again I'm saying these are the allegations on Sheikh Shahjahan. Very serious allegations against Sheikh Shahjahan, but he was not arrested. And why? The TMC leaders and Abhishek Banerjee as well was trying to give out a reason, excuse that it's the High Court, it's the judiciary that's blocking the process of the arrest, and that has been demolished and very specifically word to word cleared by High Court. There is no stay order on the arrest of Sheikh Shahjahan, and also coming down heavily on the government yesterday as well. The High Court said that why is he not arrested in the last 4 years when you already had complaints against him, you had charge sheets against him, you had FIRs against him, you had people coming out and speaking against him. Why didn't you arrest him in the last 4 years? That's what the High Court said yesterday. Today again reiterating the position of yesterday, High Court has again stated Sheikh Shahjahan can be arrested by any of these agencies or the police officials or the police department whenever needed.
Right. In fact, stay with us, Kishore. There are more, updates coming from Calcutta High Court. In fact, the Enforcement Directorate has told Calcutta High Court that Mamata's police may destroy evidence. Even the CBI has told the High Court that Bengal Police should not be allowed to probe the matter. There is no trust, absolutely no trust there, Kishore. Even the Calcutta High Court has reprimanded the Mamata police time and again, saying that they are sorry for what Mamata Banerjee cops are doing, and also calling out that why are they letting things happen the way they are happening. And now the ED and CBI are saying that they will destroy the evidence and they should not be allowed to probe this matter.
Exactly. Very serious charges. The ED and CBI has been made party to this whole case against Sheikh Shahjahan yesterday. And now we see very strong statements coming out. Enforcement Directorate represented by Deputy Solicitor General Dheeraj Trivedi is saying that if local police is permitted to probe the case, they might destroy evidence. Very serious charges, very serious charges. Additional Solicitor General SB Raju for the CBI too submitted that the central agency has serious grievance against the state police in investigating the matter. This is very serious, Rakshita. In fact, I'll request the Bangla team as well to break this as soon as possible. This is what the ED and CBI is saying, that if we let the local police continue with their process of investigation, they might be destroying evidences against.
दुर्भाग्य ये है, यहाँ की मुख्यमंत्री महिला है, वहाँ की सांसद महिला है और सबसे प्रताड़ित है महिलाएं। देश में हमारे प्रधानमंत्री ने महिलाओं को सबसे आगे रखा है, सारी सुविधा सम्मान उनको दिया जा रहा है। और बंगाल में जो पहले से यहाँ के महिलाएं बहुत आगे हैं, स्वतंत्रता संग्राम से लेकर के हर आंदोलन में आगे रहे हैं। देश को आगे बढ़ाने में, शिक्षा को आगे बढ़ाने में उनका योगदान रहा है, प्रधानमंत्री उनको सम्मानित किया है। लेकिन यहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा अपमानित, प्रताड़ित है महिलाएं। तो मुख्यमंत्री उसके बारे में चुप्पी रखें। जिन्होंने ये सब कुकर्म किया है उनको बचाने की और प्रयास कर रहे हैं। पुलिस को बोला गया उनको पकड़ना नहीं है, ना कानून के सामने लाना है, और खुद भी वहाँ नहीं जा रहे हैं, ना किसी को जाने दे रहे हैं।
नहीं उनसे ले लिए ना, दोनों से ले लिए।
Protest by the BJP right now, even as the Calcutta High Court proceedings are actually showing that what scathing observations are being made. In fact, there are more breaking updates coming in. Dilip Ghosh, of course, has hit out at Mamata Banerjee government there, Kisholai. And at the same time, some scathing observations coming in by the Calcutta High Court. The High Court has also said that Shahjahan cannot be absconding for many days. And in fact, we saw yesterday it had been very clear that there is no stay. Just day before yesterday, Calcutta High Court said that there is no stay. There was never ever any stay on his arrest, nor there is any stay. It was very clear. Abhishek Banerjee was lying all along that there is a stay, that he is innocent. But there are more updates coming in from the High Court as we speak. And as I was telling you, the Calcutta High Court continues to come down heavily on Mamata government and say that Shahjahan cannot be absconding for so many days. Mamata government cannot shrug from the responsibility. Kisholai.
Yeah, exactly. The High Court is right now. All the breaking news are coming from the High Court, where it has been said by the CBI. This has been said by the CBI solicitor. Our apprehension is that if the state police arrest Sheikh Shahjahan, they might dilute the case against him. Ultimately, if the probe is transferred to the CBI, even we want him to be arrested, but not by a wrong agency. We have a serious grievance against the state agency. We are saying that the state police colluding. This is what Raju is saying. The lawyer for CBI, he's saying that there are so many cases against him. And also, they are saying that the state police might be diluting the cases against him if they arrest him. So Shubhendu Adhikari, a while back we saw that how he has tweeted that actually the state police has gone in a deal with Sheikh Shahjahan. Actually, the Sheikh Shahjahan is protected by the state police. That is what Shubhendu Adhikari wrote, and now in the court, High Court, the ED and CBI has submitted that they have serious grievances against the state police and the whole process of investigation that the state police is conducting against Sheikh Shahjahan, and they're saying that there might be chances that evidences might be diluted, destroyed by the state police against Sheikh Shahjahan. Just imagine how serious is that charge. Just imagine how serious is that charge also, that if Sheikh Shahjahan is arrested by the state police, then all the cases against him might be diluted. In a way, they are saying that the state police might be protecting Sheikh Shahjahan in the name of arrest. That is what they are saying right now. The officials, the lawyers of ED and CBI, who has been made a party of the whole case yesterday, they have made very serious charges. Breaking news coming in from the Calcutta High Court. Right now we are breaking. So the CBI and ED officials have made it very clear that Sheikh Shahjahan cannot be handed over to the state police and that they want to arrest him. In fact, that's what the breaking right now is.
Right, we're getting in more updates as Kishore was speaking about what the Calcutta High Court had said. And clearly, Kishore, we are understanding that Mamata government has been exposed time again. And now the Calcutta High Court has also put it on record, why its observations. We've seen, arresting a reporter, arresting those who are protested, arresting those who are the victims, calling the victims liars. It clearly shows that what Mamata government will do, they can easily stage an arrest of Sheikh Shahjahan. But of course, the arrest will not be enough.